This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully restored brick Victorian with wrap-around porch located on over 3 lots. 10 ceilings, gracious foyer west/original beveled glass, remodeled staircase 18. LG. Formal rooms west/engineered hardwood floors and recessed lighting. Remodeled kitchen west/granite counters, stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash and floors. Den west/new powder room. Second floor tiled hall bath and utility closet. Master suite west/LG walk-in closet. Master bath west/walk-in tiled shower and floor, double sinks, granite counters. Open third floor west/vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, new full bath. 30 years roof 16. Garage west/new cement floor and entry door. Garage roof 20. HVAC 15 and ducting 19. LG. Open basement west/new insulation, gutters 20. Plenty of storage space. Close proximity to restaurants, shopping coffee houses, dog park, EVMS, CHKD, Sentara